In order to find hidden secure folder on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, if you use the stealth mode for the secure folder, of course usually you can find the secure folder in here in the app drawer or app tray, but if you enable stealth mode in the app tray, you can try to find the secure folder by going to the Moto folder in the app drawer, and then you can open the Moto Secure app. And then in here you might be able to find the secure folder at the top of data security section. But in my case, I have it hidden in here as well, so the stealth mode can be activated for the Moto Secure app as well. In that case, if you want to find the secure folder, you can open settings, scroll all the way down and go to security and privacy. Then in here we can go to more security and privacy, and then we should be able to find the secure folder in here, and we can enter it. Of course, enter your screenlock password, sorry, not screenlock password, enter the secure folder password in order to access it. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.